Imagine a place where everything, even light, gets sucked in and disappears. Can you think of such a place? This isn't some fantasy or a magical realm from a storybook, but a real phenomenon in our universe. This place is called a black hole. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe. They are one of the biggest mysteries of our cosmos, invisible and intriguing. Now, you might be wondering, how does a black hole come into existence? Well, it's born from the death of a star. And not just any star, but a star that's much more massive than our sun. When such a star exhausts its fuel, it collapses under its own weight, creating a black hole. So now we know what black holes are and how they form, but what happens inside a black hole? If you were to take a trip into a black hole, what do you think would happen? Imagine you're a brave and curious astronaut setting off on a daring mission to explore the unknown. As you venture into the black hole, you'd feel a sensation similar to being stretched like a long strand of spaghetti. This is called spaghettification. It's a funny name, isn't it? But it's a real term scientists use to describe how the immense gravity of a black hole can stretch objects into long, thin shapes. Now imagine you're a tiny ant crawling along the surface of a balloon. As the balloon inflates, the surface beneath you stretches and expands. This is similar to how the fabric of space-time stretches inside a black hole. The center of a black hole, where all its mass resides, is a point called a singularity. Here, space-time is stretched to its absolute limit. As our journey continues deeper, all the laws of physics as we understand them cease to apply. Time itself begins to slow down. This is known as time dilation. To someone watching from a safe distance, it would appear as if you're frozen in time, while you'd feel as if time is passing normally. Isn't it fascinating to think about what might happen if you fell into a black hole? But remember, this is just a thought experiment. Always stay safe and keep exploring the universe from Earth. We've talked about the birth and life of a black hole, but did you know that black holes can die too? Yes, you heard that right. Even black holes, these mighty cosmic vacuum cleaners, can meet their end. But how does this happen? Well, it's all thanks to a concept known as Hawking radiation. Named after the brilliant physicist Stephen Hawking, this is a process that slowly but surely whittles away at a black hole over unimaginable spans of time. So, how does Hawking radiation work? Picture a black hole as a silent, brooding giant in space. Around this giant, tiny particles and their antiparticles are constantly popping in and out of existence, as if space itself is fizzing with energy. Now, sometimes one of these particle pairs forms just at the edge of the black hole's event horizon. That's the point of no return. If the antiparticle falls in, the other particle can zoom away into space. It's like a daring escape from the clutches of the black hole. This escaping particle takes away a tiny bit of the black hole's energy, causing it to lose mass over time. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. In fact, it takes longer than the current age of the universe for a black hole to die this way. But eventually, after countless eons, the black hole will evaporate completely, leaving behind only its cosmic echo. So, even the most powerful and mysterious objects in the universe have a beginning and an end. So, are black holes the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking everything in their path, or are they just misunderstood? Well, we've learned today that they're a bit of both. Black holes, born from the remnants of massive stars, are indeed powerful and can pull in everything around them with their strong gravitational forces. But they're also fascinating cosmic phenomena that we're still trying to fully understand. We've journeyed into black holes, exploring their event horizons and the mysterious singularity at their heart. We've also discussed how black holes eventually meet their end, evaporating over unimaginable spans of time through a process called Hawking radiation. There's so much more to learn about these cosmic giants and the universe they inhabit. Continue to feed your curiosity, ask questions, and seek answers. There's a whole universe out there full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. And don't forget to subscribe to Let's Learn with Param for more exciting space adventures.